Do you attach your decisions to an external event you have no control over so that you can absolve yourself of responsibility for your situation and wonder why your life ain't working out why it should? Well, don't. We all need to make choices, but if you use an external event like another person or an arbitrary time as an excuse to take the easy or less favourable choice, or even a path to procrastination, you might as well just use the flip of a coin to chart the course of your life, especially when you know in your gut that the conditions you set are often unattainable. You're just choosing to be the victim of circumstance so people feel sorry for you. This goes back to the 5 wounds I talk about in my Best Version of Yourself course, where you make choices based on often traumatic events that occurred in your childhood. And there's a link below to it, and a chance to win for free if you listen until the end today. This victim mindset is primarily from the abandonment wound, but it can also be from the rejection wound, though there may be other reasons you're making these choices too. Here's a couple of snippets from the course. Those who suffer from abandonment do not feel emotionally nourished enough. They need constant help and support. They think that they cannot do anything on their own and regularly need someone to support them. They often have ups and downs. For a while they're happy and everything is fine, and then suddenly they feel unhappy and sad. They tend to dramatise a lot. The smallest little incident takes on gigantic proportions. Their problems give them the gift of attention, and this prevents them from being abandoned. They don't know what to do with themselves when they get too much attention. In relationships with others, they are constantly finding ways to reject themselves from a person of the opposite sex, yet often feeling guilty when they face rejection. It's not unusual for them to live in ambivalence. When they are accepted, they won't believe it and often create a self-sabotaging situation so that others reject them. Their biggest fear is panic and anxiety, because that often arises in them when they're rejected. Check out the course for more info and comment below and ask me questions so we can go deeper into this in future videos. Once you realise this, you can start making choices that take your life where you want it to go instead of feeling unlucky all the time. That way leads to depression, addiction and mental health issues if left unchecked. It can be hard to turn the ship around, but that's why I post videos like this, to act as waypoints to help you navigate your way to a better life. Now, if you found this video useful and want more from me, remember to hit the like and comment below to tell me your aha moment. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you've been waiting patiently for how to enter the competition, all you need to do is comment below with one of the 2 wounds I mentioned today, and next week I'll pick a winner. Good luck, and remember, dream, dare, rise.